So here is how to make a drink that will get rid of eye problems, that will improve your eyesight, improve your eye vision, and make you see clearly even in the dark. This remedy is highly effective. All you have to do is just to give it a trial. Very natural and healthy for you. Hello everyone, yeah, welcome back. I'm going to show you just 2 ingredients to add that will help to improve your eye vision, that will help to make you see clearly, that will prevent night blindness. This is potent. Like, just give it a try and see it for yourself. So in case you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing by hitting the red subscribe button. Also share this video and also like this video. Let's go. So this contains 2 ingredients, like I said earlier, very natural. Even if you are 90 years old, even if you are 100 years old, taking this drink, a glass a day, will help greatly, not only to improve your eyesight, not only to prevent some eye problems, but also improving your complexion and making it to glow naturally. Like, it will look so healthy from within. The ingredients are very potent at boosting the immune system, preventing sickness and diseases. You will love it. Just get the ingredients and you never regret it. So what we have here is hibiscus leaf. You can get this from a store, from the supermarket. You can also get it as a tea. Like, it's sold also as a tea in a tea bag, just like Lipton, just like green tea. So this is a dry one, which is almost everywhere. This hibiscus leaf is also called zobo. That is the local name, zobo leaf. Making a drink from that leaf is very nutritious. You can add so many flavors to it and making it to drink it cool or normal temperature. You will love it. The leaf itself helps to boost immunity, like I said earlier. It helps to strengthen the immune system, improves your overall health. If you have infection in you, it will help greatly to get rid of it, like flushing it out from your system. Taking care of yourself from within is the best, and you see the beauty showing out on your skin. That shows that your body is healthy, like inside is healthy, and you improving your eyesight is very important. Like, you cannot do without your eye. Of course, you need a proper vision so that you can see clearly. And what I love about this drink is that it helps to prevent glaucoma, cataract, and the rest. Those that have blurred vision can also take this drink, a glass a day. Hibiscus leaf or flower, it helps to boost clearer and healthy vision. So just try to get a leaf, and I will tell you how to prepare it, of course, for best result. So here we have orange. Orange here is normally like this. It can be green, it can be yellow. So if you have the orange itself, like orange color, you can use it. Use any kind of orange. You can also make use of any other citrus fruit like grapes, tangerine. You can make use of lemon. You can make use of lime, but lime and lemon is not really good for those that have ulcer. So you have to choose it wisely. Choose the kind of fruit you want to add that contains vitamin C. Eating oranges or making a juice out of them are very, very important to keep our eyes very healthy and active. Helping to protect our eyes from macular degeneration is an eye disorder. So you taking this drink, you will see that you will improve your eyesight. In case you already have eye problem, this will help greatly to start making you to feel better by improving your eyesight. With time, you will no longer see that cataract anymore. Yes, it works. So this is purely natural. You can see the ingredients, purely natural. You can as well add honey to sweeten or to also add flavor, and also for your overall health as well. Honey is very potent at many things. Like, it helps to heal so many things. You can call it a miracle healer. Like, all these are gifts from God Almighty to make us use it wisely for our own advantage. So use it to improve your eye health. You love it. This is how to prepare this drink. You have to wash your zobo leaf or hibiscus leaf. Wash it with normal water. Rinse it out to remove dust and dirt. Like, sometimes there are sands in it. So you have to ensure you wash it, rinse it off many times. Then you have to transfer it in a clean bowl. Add in your lukewarm water or hot water in it. Then you have to cover it. Cover it, and you see that the nutrients will infuse out. You notice a color change from it after some time. After about 10 to 15 minutes or 20 minutes, you will notice a color change. The water will change like this, and this is to show you that it's time to strain it out. The longer you leave that water soaked, the more potent it's going to be. Like, it will infuse more out. So when you are straining it out, you have to, use a filter or a strainer to strain it out and squeeze out. The water is what you need. So you have to also cut your orange. You squeeze out the orange. For 1 glass of the remedy, you have to add 1 full orange juice. Like, squeeze all the 1 fruit into the drink. Mix thoroughly. You can store in the refrigerator to keep it cool, enjoy it cool, or you can just take it like that. Very potent. So when soaking it with water, please ensure that the water is very clean, because this is something you have to drink. You don't need dirt, you don't need dust, you don't need any contamination. So for those that don't want the taste like that, you can just flavor it with any flavor of your choice. You can add honey, just 1 tablespoon of it. Honey is also very good at keeping you healthy from within and making sure you have great skin. It will also enable you to see clearly as well. These ingredients are potent, so make a drink with this. Like, 1 glass a day is all you need. Taking it every day, you will notice a lot of improvement. Not only for your eyesight, not only to see clearly, to get rid of blurred vision, but also you will enjoy a very good skin health. Your skin will glow naturally, like without you stressing yourself for skincare products. You will see that your skin will look so healthy. Your skin will also look so firmer, because it contains also anti-aging properties that will help greatly to firm your skin. You love the results. Take 1 glass a day and come and thank me later. So there are some people that also add ginger, garlic. It's just your choice. You can just add ginger, the flavor of it, or you just blend ginger and garlic. A little goes a long way. Add it into this drink and it will help you greatly to get rid of infection from within. For those that are trying to conceive, you can take this drink to prevent anything that is causing delay in conceiving. If it's infection, it helps greatly to get rid of infection. So men can also take this drink as well, not only for proper vision, but also to boost their sperm count, making a woman to conceive naturally without you stressing much. Like, very good for overall health. So go on and prepare a glass. Take it. Children can as well take this drink, not only for those that are older. Improve your eyesight. Go out there and see clearly. You don't need eyeglass with this drink. You can also take this drink to improve your night vision. Like, many people, they cannot go out at night because they cannot see anything. Even if there's light at night, they don't see. So you taking this drink will help greatly to make sure your eye health is very active. No more blurred vision, no cataracts, no infection, any kind of eye infection. You will no longer use eyeglass with this drink. Be consistent for better result. So in case you have ulcer, please, this drink is not for you because of the citrus fruit in it. If you are pregnant, please do not take this drink. It's not for you. This is just for every other person, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. Also share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.